Okay, so this is Mr. Karamatan. I just wanted to touch base with you guys for your MOY Goal Conference. Let's do some pre-work so that way by the time it gets to me, it'll be quicker. I will respect your time and we are going to be on our way. Okay, so my suggestion to you guys is download I'm going to send you this copy right here as a template and you guys can feel free to fill it in by yourself, okay? You put your name. So for example, put mine and then whatever that stuff and review your goals below and complete each question. So for student achievement, I'm going to go to, for you guys, you're going to go to your strive and you're going to go to your goal setting and then you're going to click for your student achievement goal is right here. So I'm going to click this. Okay, so once you click this, you notice that you already have this here. So you already pre-packaged this for everybody. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to just copy that and we are going to paste it here. Okay, and of course, you just have to make sure that you clean it up properly, what have you. For this, however you want to copy that down and whatnot. Okay, and so and nonetheless, so that's how that will work out right there. Now from there you copy this and you make sure that it looks clean. I know that's a little annoying right now, so nonetheless, that's how that works right there. The point is just you just want to make sure that you know what it is. Now describe how the actions associated with this goal is impacted. So where are you going to get those actions? It is the ones that you wrote right here. So explain here, how have your actions impacted the increase in your student achievement? So first, you might want to ask yourself, based on the MOY data that we have, the middle of the year data that we have, did you achieve your goal? Okay, so I know that we have to look at 31 to 61. Did you reach the 15% growth that we were talking about, that you wanted? So how the action associated with this going impact the increase in your goal, and that is up to you to discuss, right? So in your increased achievement. Based on that conversation, you write down here what it is that you did that you felt was successful, and you explain that. And if there's anything that you would have done differently, what would it be? And so those are the things that you need to go over when it comes to the student data. Okay? Now for your professional goal, same thing, right? We're going to go back here. We're going to go to goal setting, and we're going to go to your professional goal. And then you copy this, and you go ahead and right there. Describe how the action associated with this goal impacted your. So again, you go by to what it is that you've done for yourself, the actions that you decided, and how has that impacted your process, your journey so far. Fill this thing out for me, be reflective, send it back to me. I will go over them, and then once we go over them, I will go ahead and give you the signal to paste this on your uh, actual MOI, and then from there we can go ahead and set up our meeting virtually, and we can go ahead and close it out so we can discuss what we need to discuss. Okay, so again, fill this form up. Where are you going to get this information? From your Strive, and especially this right here, there should be at least 15% goal increase. That is definitely, I will go ahead and send you guys the beginning of the year to the middle of the year numbers for you. Okay, have a good one.